Don't work as well as other people's videos, I feel like. That definitely did not feel as good as what I thought it would be after all the videos I've seen.
What were you expecting to happen?
I was expecting it to fully cycle because I only threw it in that water for a few seconds.
Now what do you think caused the malfunction?
The dirt.
The dirt.
100%. There's definitely, it's kind of gritty in there. Even right now I'm struggling with getting the rounds in the magazine. But man, that just did not feel good. We'll try it again. Now it's been taken out of the puddle. It hasn't been cleaned off or anything. I'm just putting new rounds in it. See if it feeds through. Nope. Look at that. Malfunction. Not limp wristing it for sure. It's starting to try, see? It's still not feeding all the way though. That's only a few seconds of being in dirt, let's be real. I don't think it performs as much as everyone says it does. Malfunction, every last time. Maybe it's the ammo, who knows? It's failure to lock too.
Well, I think we got all the information we need.
Damn. Alright, so we took the Glock 40 MOS and we washed it in the mud water. Now, most of the mud particles that are in there now broken up pretty free. It's not bad. We're going to see if it'll run through a full mag now. Nope. There you go.
What have we learned today?
Don't throw your guns in the mud. It's not going to work. Alright, so we're going to take this sucker apart now, if we can. It's got a decent bit of dirt. That's a good bit of mud right there. Ah, yep, tons of mud in there. Tons in here too. Man, this spring is real rough with all that in there. Real rough. Let's see if it'll run now. Yep. Just a little bit of cleaning goes a long way. Alright, so I definitely thought this thing was going to perform if I soaked it in some mud. I've seen lots of videos about people throwing their guns in the mud, soaking them in the sand, whatever. But this thing malfunctioning like crazy. Will I drop my gun in a mud puddle now? No, definitely not. When I put this Glock 40 MOS, which this is a brand new gun, I bought it maybe about a month ago, and it is definitely not going to cycle if I drop it in the mud. That sand's going to get up in there, it's going to get in the slide, get in the spring, get on the barrel, it's going to cause it to have mass friction. Like right now it's still got some friction, and we just cleaned it up a little bit. So don't be dropping your Glocks in the mud. They won't work. Try it out yourself.